Perhaps I did. Okay, what was first period?
I'll show you.
Could you speed up? I don't have that much time on my camera. You have to do it like a little introduction. First period.
I got my Red Bull from Mr. Williams, and he said he couldn't say a word. And I got, these are all things that I love. So he got me.
Yes, we already knew this, Linda.
Oh, okay, well, I didn't know. Third period, I got EZA from Cammy.
That was the best.
It was the best. It was my favorite movie. Second favorite. And then he got me a Dutch Bros gift card because I'm addicted and he's probably tired of paying for it. And then
That's probably true.
He got me the Notebook, and Mr. Lenz gave it to me and he wouldn't stop
harassing you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Blake Shelton, who was my favorite artist, he got me a CD. And then in the seventh period, I came into my favorite thing. He writes me notes.
And then pages and pages don't define.
He wrote me a list of 60 things he likes about me.
And then her answer was, once
yes.
again, yes what?
Yes, I will go to homecoming with my boyfriend.
The end.